In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a debit card to Google Play. If you want to make purchases on Google Play, like buying apps, games, movies, books, or subscriptions, adding your debit card is a quick and simple way to set up payment on your device. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can follow along at your own pace. First, open the Google Play Store on your device. Make sure you're signed into the Google account you want to use for purchases, because the payment method will be connected to that account. Once the Play Store is open, stay on the main screen and look toward the top right corner. Next, tap your profile icon. This opens the account menu where you'll find several settings and account options. From here, look for payment and subscriptions and tap it. This section is where Google Play stores and manages your purchase settings, payment options, and subscription details. After that, tap Payment Methods. This will take you to the page where you can view your current payment options and add a new one. If you haven't added any payment methods before, this page may look very simple. If you already have one on file, you'll still be able to add another. Now tap Add Credit or Debit Card. Google Play will then give you two ways to continue. You can either type in your card details manually or use your device's camera to scan the card, which can save time and help avoid typing mistakes. If you enter the information manually, type in the card number, the expiration date, the CVV security code, and the billing address exactly as they appear for the card. It's important to enter everything accurately, because even a small mistake can prevent the card from being accepted. If you choose to scan the card, double check the details afterward to make sure everything was captured correctly. Once your information is entered, review it carefully before moving on. This is especially helpful if your card isn't accepted right away, since incorrect billing details are a common reason for errors. Also, make sure your debit card is enabled for online or mobile purchases if your bank requires that. After that, your debit card should be added to Google Play and ready to use for future purchases. And that's all it takes to set up a debit card in Google Play.